Okay, let's add real content to the My Cart section. So let's start with the first item. So let's make the first item as this food item. So copy the text and paste the text here. Actually, I have to paste the text before paste it here. I can increase the size. So to increase the size, I will go to the parent and let's make it size like this. Or we can just click here and click on fill container. Okay, now it will affect all the content. Okay, first let's add those foods title like this. Okay, now we can add the prices. To add prices, we can go here and check those prices. And in here, we got the issue. This text should be aligned to the right side. So let's fix it. To fix it, I will click on the text and set this alignment to right. Okay, it should be fixed. Yes, it fixed. Okay, let's add other details. Okay, now let's change those amounts to good. Now what we have to do is add the images. To add images, I press command and select the rectangle and click here to place the images. Go to foods and in the foods here we have the food. Okay, now we have to add the food count. It's 5 and let's add the total amount. The total amount is $10 and in here we have to change this amount because we ordered 2 foods, so it should be changed as $5. Okay, now let's add tax as 3 and in here we will got the total as $13. Okay, now let's check the design and it will be look like this. So now we completed main 4 frames and now we have to create the pop-up message box and convert these frames to prototype.